Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by placing the extender in the same room as the router. This avoids weak pairing. Once powered and the LED is steady, choose WPS for a fast link or use the web setup for control. Make sure you know the router SSID and password because you will need them immediately. If your router broadcasts both bands, decide 4 GHz versus 5 GHz now. 4 GHz gives range while 5 GHz gives speed. Once you choose WPS, press the router WPS button first and then the extender WPS button within 2 minutes. LEDs will indicate success. If you opt for web setup, join the extender SSID and open TP-Link Repeater. Net or 192, 168, 0, 254, follow the guided steps. You will select the target SSID, enter the password, and pick 4 GHz or 5 GHz as appropriate. After you save and apply, you finish by relocating the extender halfway between the router and the area with poor Wi-Fi. Pick a spot where the extender shows at least one strong signal LED. Then test with a phone or laptop, checking speeds and seamless roaming between router and extender SSIDs. If you encounter issues, reboot the extender and router first. If that does not help, perform a factory reset and repeat the web setup method rather than WPS. That troubleshooting step resolves most pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.